To install the MaxTrax kit on your Polaris XPEDITION XP or ADV, follow these steps. Park the vehicle on a flat level surface, ensure it is in park, and remove the key. Begin by assembling 2 lock washers to 2 screws. Then assemble 2 flat washers to 2 screws. Next, install 2 screws into the mounting base. After this, install a T-nut onto each screw. Then, remove the locking nut from each mounting pin. Leave the flat washer on the stud of the mounting pin. Next, install the mounting pins and washer through the holes in the mounting base. After this, install a locking nut into opposite sides of the mounting base. Make sure the nylon insert in the nut faces away from the mounting base. Then tighten the mounting pins. Tighten until the mounting pin is tight and flat. Repeat steps to assemble the second mounting base. The mounting pin lines should line up with the lines on the mounting base. There are 2 types of traction boards in this kit. Traction board A has extra ribbing on the bottom, allowing the board to be used as support for a hack or similar use. There is 1 board of this type in the kit. Traction board B does not have additional ribbing. There are 3 boards of this type in the kit. When stacking traction boards, board A must be on the bottom of the stack. Begin by setting the mounting bases on a flat surface, with the smaller sides facing each other. Then install 2 traction boards on the mounts. Next, turn the tabs on each mounting pin to lock the traction boards on the mounts. There are 2 tabs on each mounting pin. Use the lower tabs when stacking 2 traction boards. Use the upper tabs when stacking 4 traction boards. After this, remove the rubber bumper from the rear of the cargo bed rail. Then install mounts to the rail. The T-nuts will slide into the openings in the rail. Slide the mounts to the desired position. Next, carefully remove the traction boards from the mounts. Make sure not to move the mounts along the rail. Then, tighten 4 screws to specification. Finally, install the bumper into the rear of the rail. The kit comes with straps. Attach a strap to each traction board prior to use. Straps will aid in retrieval of traction boards if they become buried or submerged. Remove and store straps when not in use. For more information, see your authorized Polaris dealer or visit Polaris.com.